Hi guys, welcome back to the Drive Life channel, and today, as you can see, I've cleaned the S80, although I've literally just noticed it's got to have been like an hour max since I've done it. Typical, so I'll get that cleaned up. But yeah, today's video we're going to be talking about leather treatment. I'm going to finish off the wash by just going over the leather in the car, and I'm going to be using these, literally just your bog standard leather wipes from Dunelm. So sort of a little test really, whether you really need to spend all the money on the car interior wipes when you can just get these. These are pretty cheap, I think. I don't know, I found them in the cupboard, so I didn't pay for them. But yeah, we'll give them a go on the car, see what they look like, and yeah, see we go. Okay then guys, so this is just sort of a baseline. This is what the leather looks like. It's fairly okay. It's typical Volvo leather, so it's solid, but it looks older, if that makes sense. And you can see we've got a little bit of on the bolster there. Passenger side is better, obviously, because no one drives a car in the passenger side. The leather in the back isn't great, to be honest. This is one of the downsides of this car. It looks like they used it for dogs, so as you can see here, it's pretty rubbish. We've got a little tear there, so it'll be interesting to see if these wipes improve it or not. What about in here? That leather's obviously immaculate, so yeah, we'll give it a go, see what it does, and also we'll do the headrest as well. So yeah, okay, so literally, yeah, like you just wipe it on, as you can see. It's making it nice and moist. We'll give it a chance to dry as well, just to test out the full results. I'm going to use one wipe per seat, just to avoid over wasting really. And I might do some of the interior trims, because we've got some nice leather on these door carpets here, so should treat them as well. Hopefully it won't leave marks and on the armrest, and also do the centre armrest as well. There we go. So you see it's starting to dry. I'm going to do the other seats, and then I'll show you guys what it looks like afterwards. Okay then guys, so I've done the entire car now, and to be honest, I can see a bit of a difference. The leather's got sort of a deeper matte sort of shimmer to it, if that makes any sense whatsoever. We've also done the gear knob and the steering wheel, so yeah, it's not turned out too badly. If we have a look at the rear ones, you can definitely tell there's some improvement there, and yeah, especially here as well. It's got a nice feel to it now. It's got a smooth feel rather than a rough feel. So I think what I'm going to do is you can sort of redo them over and over again. I'm going to do a couple more rounds on the car, just to sort of confirm or deny my suspicions, I suppose. But yeah, in terms of leather treatment, they're quite a good little option for them. I think, to be honest, there's not going to be much that's going to be able to sort of bring this leather back to, say, that sort of like that smoothness, but I'm sure you could definitely help it. It's definitely got a garage queen in this car, so I'm not that worried. But sort of in terms of in-car materials now, especially nowadays, it's quite rare that you find real leather like this, which is why it's sort of worth preserving. The new cars, especially the new Volvos, use a sort of vegan, they call it vegan leather, but it's not leather at all. It's like a synthetic blend that they've created. So in terms of actual manufacturers who use leather still, I think BMW do on sort of their individual schemes. Mercedes, sort of all the big German brands tend to use leather a lot, and they still do, but you sort of have to pay a premium for it. But one of the brands sort of leading the way in sort of leather and leather quality is definitely got to be Lexus. If you have a look at sort of just reviews of them, especially on the LS and ES and things like that, their sort of interiors are sort of top well, in my opinion anyway, in terms of design and everything like that. And the quality and craftsmanship of the leather that they put in those cars is just incredible. So I'd strongly recommend, if you just take a look at sort of if you ever get a chance, if you're near a dealership as well, Lexus dealership, just go and have a look and sit in their cars, and you can really feel the craftsmanship. And it's like they use high quality leather like this, whereas a lot of brands nowadays don't. So yeah, that's just sort of a little thought for the day as well. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you give us a follow on Instagram, at drivelife.volvo. We've blown up massively, actually. We've gone from 200 followers even on Instagram to nearly, well, it's over 1,000 now, 1,100 in about a month. So thanks to everyone who sort of followed and gone along with it. I do appreciate it. And yeah, take it easy, guys. We're still in lockdown here in the UK, so hopefully we'll be over soon. I'm going to be doing some live streams and stuff like that, because of a key work. I do get to go out and drive about to work and stuff. So I'm going to I think I'm going to try and stream a couple of those, if I haven't already by the time this video goes out. But yeah, thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you next one. Cheers.